we got new products, new firmware upgrades for security cameras and recorders that add more AI features, huge updates on L-Series. If you're an L-Series fan, you're gonna wanna watch this video. Or if you just love user-friendly, cost-efficient security systems, you're gonna wanna stick around as well. I'm Matt from Nelly Security, and on this channel, we equip security pros like yourselves with the knowledge and resources needed to sell and install top-grade security equipment. Subscribe if that sounds like something you'd like to be a part of. Without further ado, let's hop into the video. We launched our NDAA compliant L-Series line back in July, and you guys have shown so much support for it. We here at Nelly Security are super happy that you've been loving the products. For the uninitiated, I'm gonna run through the L-Series collection real quick. These IP security cameras and recorders all have AI-powered smart events. They all come blank, making them perfect for branding, and they also come in a variety of form factors. They also have a lot of different features and resolutions to pick from. We got active deterrence, panoramic, ultra low light, zoom lenses, cameras with IR lights, white lights. There's just so much to choose from. Leave a comment down below with your favorite L-Series camera. Here's what's new. For those of you who are familiar with our ultra low light camera, the L4T NC, there is now a new 4K version called the L8T NC. Both look extremely good, needing little to no light to give you a vibrant, colorful image. Both have large 1/1.8 inch sensors, 1.0 apertures, and a lux rating of 0.0001. Both cameras have Adapt-ISP, which is an intelligent image signal processor that uses deep learning AI to analyze every frame and dynamically adjust image settings on the fly. It can fix issues like noise, motion blur, and poor color accuracy in real time. The L8T NC has all the same features except for, of course, it's 4K, so it'll have a higher pixel count and resolution. You'll be able to see more detail, and it especially becomes evident when you use the digital zoom feature. Here are some examples to see how the cameras stack up against each other. This room is completely pitch black dark. This was shot on my iPhone. And here's what it looks like on the 4 megapixel. And here's what it looks like on the 8 megapixel. Both the 4 megapixel and 8 megapixel versions look great in low light, so it's really up to your preference. Okay, next new product. We have added a 64 channel NVR to the recorder lineup. Before we only had 4, 8, 16, and 32 channel NVRs. But now with the 64 channel recorder, you can use L-Series for your bigger installs. Like all the other L-Series recorders, this is NDAA compliant, ONVIF compatible, and can record IP cameras up to 4K resolutions. What sets this new NVR apart is that it can be utilized for larger scale projects. Think industrial complexes, warehouses, and big convenience store jobs. Perfect for those installs where you're gonna need more storage and room to grow. It even has 8 hard drive bays. Compare that to the 4 bays on the 32 channel recorder. Huge upgrade. Real quick, before we get into the new firmware upgrade portion of this video, did you know that we brand your own custom logos onto all L-Series products you buy from us? For no extra cost, by the way, if you're a part of our free to join dealer program. Once you sign up, you unlock huge perks like competitive pricing, referrals, lifetime tech support, monthly webinars with manufacturers, and access the dealer vault, which is our new library of downloadable camera sample footage, marketing assets, and custom white label videos you can use to leverage for your own business. Awesome perks. There's gonna be a link to the dealer sign up page in the description of this video. The last huge update for L-Series comes in the form of firmware. This new firmware gives the security cameras and recorders new AI abilities and other upgrades. It's important to note that the upgrades will vary from products to products. It's not a blanket update for all products. So you'll have to check your specific camera or recorder to see what upgrades you got. The list of upgrades for security cameras include face detection, sound detection, heat mapping, scene change detection, crowd density detection, moving object detection, abandoned object detection, illegal parking, and line crossing count. The face detection smart event was added to 4 cameras, which is huge. Those cameras are the L8ZT, L8ZB, L4TNC, and L8TNC. There are also firmware upgrades for the 5 NVRs we have. They all have added smart events and features to coincide with the camera's upgrades. For example, the NVRs now have the ability to capture and store a database of faces from the camera's face detection events. If you want to upgrade firmware for your NVR, you can do it directly from the physical NVR interface. Hop on your NVR, go to Maintenance, Upgrade, click on Online Upgrade, and you can check to see if you're up to date on the latest firmware or if you can upgrade it. Simply click Upgrade, and the NVR will do the upgrade, then restart after it's complete. The process for upgrading the firmware on your cameras will be a little different. You'll have to manually upgrade them yourselves, which is super easy, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Simply find the camera that you want the firmware for on our website. At the bottom of the product page, click on the Downloads tab. There you can see the newest firmware available. Hit download. Once you have that, now you can go over to the camera's web interface, go to Maintenance, and click on Device Upgrade. Now click Browse, select the firmware you want, open it, and hit Upgrade. This might take a moment, but there you go. Our team has loved the firmware upgrades, and we hope you do as well. If you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments below, or reach out to our sales and tech team. Like this video if you found it helpful, and as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.